You know, a lot of it has in developing, you know, your strength in your arms to control the hammer the way you want to. I'm Dale Burton. I am an artisan blacksmith. I'm not a machine. I can't produce two of the same leaves, except for by accident. Now it's ready to become a stem on a candlestick or a railing, whatever I decide to do with the leaf. I really just have to work with the metal and kind of get a sense of when I'm putting it together, does this piece look right? Does it feel right? It's just an intuitive thing. You know, the pieces I produce go into homes, or in this case into church, and you know, people view them or use them, and it's pretty humbling in a way. Well, this one is particularly challenging just because I'm basically drawing with metal. This is kind of walking a line between abstract and literal, and so it takes me a lot of time to develop the figures themselves and how they're going to relate to each other and how much I actually want to represent in the piece. So I think that works. The dragons are a little bit more fussy. First you have to make the snout. You just put it over the edge of the anvil. The eyes really determine the personality of the dragon itself. So between the eyes you want to kind of split the skull. It sounds kind of cruel, but look at the twist he took on. I mean, it's like, it's a dragon with an attitude. You know, I spend a lot of time standing there looking at the piece going, am I happy with it or not? And when I'm done with it, I'm happy with it. And so, you know, hopefully when I go back 10 years from now, I'll still be happy with it. It's the best I can hope for.